शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. The great master Paramahamsa Yogananda says, God and ultimate bliss is experienced in the pineal gland. Also he says that at the time of death, a perfect yogi leaves the body through the third eye. Guruji, how my Sri Vidya practice helped me to experience Sri Yoganand ji's words mentioned above. You see that. What Sadguru Sri Paramahamsa Yoganand is telling that the pineal gland is the highest center when you work with the chakras. You see that this and this, when the Ajna chakra, Sahasrara chakra, when they come together, that is the where the point pineal gland is there. In the Siddha Parampara, we call it as a Shiva. Pineal gland is called as a Shiva. Pituitary is called as a Shakti. When the both of these Shiva and Shakti, pituitary pineal gland awakened, between that there is a one, because of the friction between Shiva and Shakti, pineal and pituitary, the great amount of spiritual energy, spiritual light awakens. Once it awakens, that is the something, living God within you in the form of a light. We call it as a Jyotirlinga in a different way, or spiritual light, highest awaken, all of that, or third eye opening and all. It's a different way of explanation and all. So what Paramahamsa Yogananda said is very true, that as you progress at the higher level, when you leave this body, the prana leaves from the higher center, means it's a higher ascension. The yogi can do this, not the normal person. Okay? So, yogi can do it. How it is possible to do it? Because he worked with the chakras, he worked with the nadis, and cleansed, healed, energized, and he raised his prana from lower to higher dimension. Got this point? So, during the meditation of Sri Vidya Sadhana, you are doing it already. Not only you are, raising the consciousness, even you are awakening your pineal gland in a level 3 of Sri Vidya Sadhana. Please understand. Level 3 is so powerful. It awakens pineal gland, pituitary gland, astral body, subtle body, and all the chakra, bringing the soul energy to the chakras and all of that. So Sri Vidya Sadhana is doing that. When you practice Sri Vidya Sadhana for a lifetime, all whatever the Sadguru, Paramahamsa Yogananda is said, it will start happening to you. It's very true that, whatever whether it's a Paramahamsa Yogananda is talking about this, or any Avaduta is talking about, or any Siddha is talking, what they are telling is, you raise your consciousness to the highest center, then when you go and come in a meditation, there's a time will come where you wanted to drop the body, you raise your consciousness because you have a habit and practice to take the prana there. Then you can leave the body from the higher center. So it is, as it says that at the time of death, a perfect yogi leaves the body through the third eye. Okay, it's very true. And also there is one more higher level. Okay, as you progress in that, the energy from third eye or the pineal gland also goes to the heart center. Okay, and merges with the universal way at the Manipura, and then it also leaves like that also. There are different level of leaving the body. Okay, there is people leave the body from the lower chakras, higher chakras, and complete the lower to higher to lower, then they leave it also. There are different mechanism. It depends upon your attainment. And it's perfectly and very true that Paramahamsa, when a yogi leaves the body, he leaves from the higher center. Some people leave from here also, what we call a Brahma Randra. Okay, from third eye, that's pineal gland, to Brahma Randra, that connection is made, and the universal connection is made. From that also it is possible to leave that. And Sri Vidya Sadhana, when you work with all the chakras, you are raising the energy, activating the pineal gland with a level 3 and a level So, level 2 also you are raising your consciousness to, 6-point star. That also helps. And then with after all of this, you are doing the level 7. That will help you to, fulfill the, promise of Sadguru, Paramahamsa Yoganandaji's word by doing the Sri Vidya sadhana. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.